I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to convert slides you created in Canva to PowerPoint slides. Canva is an awesome service with powerful tools and templates that make it easy to create impactful presentations. However, it's still nowhere near as widely used as Microsoft Office. As a result, you may find yourself using Canva to create the initial version of a presentation and then converting it to PowerPoint so more people will be able to collaborate on it and make edits. Thankfully, Canva makes it easy to convert Canva slides to PowerPoint. Now let's walk through the steps to convert Canva slides to PowerPoint. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to canva.com, and then open the slide deck you created in Canva that you want to convert to be PowerPoint slides. Step 2. Click the Share button at the top of the screen to open a menu. Step 3. Click Download. The Download menu is displayed. Step 4. Click to expand the File Type drop-down menu and then click PPTX in that menu. Step 5. Click Download. A Save As dialog box pops up. Step 6. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save your PowerPoint slides. You can open these converted Canva slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.